Welcome to 126 Saginaw in Cherokee Village, Arkansas. It sits across the street from Lake Thunderbird, so it does have a seasonal lake view. It sits on 2 lots, so that's about 3/4 of an acre of land that you get to enjoy. The home has been updated with new shingles on the roof in 2024. The central heat and air was updated in 2019, plus there's a backup gas heater in the living room. It also has fresh paint inside out, new laminate flooring, new water heater, new kitchen sink and bath vanities, plus added a closet to the laundry room. There are sliding glass doors out to the deck in the living room and the primary bedroom as well as a second bedroom, and there are wood ceilings throughout the home with vaulted ceilings in the living room. The home has a split floor plan with the primary bedroom and bath on the opposite side of the other 2 bedrooms. The listing price includes the appliances in the kitchen, including the electric stove, the microwave, and 2 refrigerators, one which blends right in with the other cabinets. There's also access to the back deck from the kitchen, where it is a small fenced area. You can sit at the breakfast bar or put a table in the small dining area. One of the bathrooms has a walk-in shower and the other is a tub shower combination. The laundry room is very large and possibly could be turned into an office or a bedroom. It has access to the catio, which is out the back side of the home, and it's also where you'd come in off the carport. The seller has installed custom light fixtures in all the rooms. They can stay with the home or they can be removed and you can install traditional light fixtures. Out front, under the front deck, you will find that they have screened in that area, so you have like a screened porch area that's on rock, and it also provides easy access to your crawl space. In the backyard, you're going to find that fenced-in yard, the catio, as well as a shed, and more parking areas up behind the carport.